We're on one of the first TAMS grants, we'd say the stage 3 of the TAMS, and we have we're here at a pig farm, and we have a 6 kilowatt hybrid inverter, and we have 10 kilowatt battery storage. This job here has been probably going on over the last 12 months to get the application through, connections through, and this inverter here is probably one of the last inverters to be installed under the NC6 as a 6 kilowatt inverter. And the system, it seems to be working well. You can see here, this is the app on the phone from the pig farm itself, Cullivan pig farm it's called, and you can see here what the panels are producing, what the battery storage is taking, and what the building has been using, and what's going out to the grid. So far the customer, he's very happy with all the statistics that we have here on the efficiency of the system, what's fed to grid, what's used on site, and how much power that he is using off grid. So that's, and this app with this setup this app comes with every setup that we do for people, and it's a great way to keep an eye on it, monitor it, and see where you can make improvements to try and make this work better for you and leave it work more efficiently.
Yeah, I got the panels on and that back a couple of weeks ago, so all's going good. I suppose the first step I done was I contacted Micheál from Hybrid Energy, got the ball rolling, got the survey done to see was the site gonna suit for whatever panels and that sort of thing. So second step was we applied for the TAMS grant, 60% funding, so we got the application in there with my farm advisor, got it approved, and Micheál got the ball rolling on the works here on site, and everything installed to a very high standard. I'm very happy with it so far, so so far so good.